but I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Caption. You on display is my distraction. Cause you're a work of art, and I can't wait to start hitting me in your frame tonight. If you were a movie, I wanna be the plot that's written up. Camera filming on me up. And baby, I'ma be a co-star. Now come over and strum on my guitar. Start with the G string. Take your frustration out on me. Strum it out, strum it out, strum it out. Oh, you need to take your fingers and run them all through my strings. Strum it out, strum it out, strum it out. You can play in the key of love. It's all about us. Strum it out, strum it out, strum it out. Oh, my body's your instrument. You can play a song all night long. Be my guitar hero. Play me like Jimmy, strumming me legendary. Play me like Jimmy, teach me a new song. Boy, I know plenty. Play me like a rock star, strumming on my guitar. Ooh, it's getting intense. Make me hit the cry. Play me like Prince. And now you play me, so I guess I gotta sing. Get down, get down, get down.
And subscribe. Make sure you have on your post notifications. Bang dang.
Jang jang, guang guang, kang kang, tang tang, bang bang, zang zang.
I'm gonna show you guys what we received from Burlington. I also have a package that I'm gonna be opening up as well. So let's get into it. Okay, the first item I bought was this beautiful picture. This beautiful glass piece, I thought it was really, really nice. I love the artwork. I just love the gold trimmings, and I love mirrors as well. So I needed something like a nice size to go behind my bed. So I thought this was really, really nice. So we're gonna hang this up. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like, okay? So this is on sale. And y'all know I love to find some sales. I'm a bargain shopper. I went to Burlington last week and I had to go back because I had my eyes on it. So I was like, I'm gonna go back to Burlington and pick this up. And there I go again, back at Burlington.
And she was praying that this wasn't taken.
Yeah.
Like, please take it.
Oh my God. And guess what? When we got back to the same Burlington,
it wasn't taken.
It wasn't taken. It was still there.
It looks like no one wanted this.
Nobody wanted it but me. So I'm gonna show you guys once I hang it up and see how pretty it looks in the bedroom, y'all. So let's get into item number 2. It's kind of heavy, so I'm just gonna put this on the side. The next item is what, Faith?
Freeze-dried candy gummy bears. This is the first time I actually tried these.
Candy freeze-dried crunchy bears. This been going around TikTok, so of course
they got skins.
Yeah, they have all kinds. So this is our first time. We're gonna try these together.
I don't know if they do Twix or something, but
I know they have a lot of dried candy. So next item we got, Faith wanted some slippers, and the first pair you tried on, what was that? That was like the Care Bears.
But I don't want that because when I wake up in the morning, it's gonna be like too hard to put on.
Okay, so she didn't want to go with the Care Bears, so she went with these cute Barbie slippers. And I'm a big fan of Barbie. Y'all know I'm a big kid at heart. So she wanted to go with these Barbie slippers. I thought they were really, really cute and cozy. So So this is the cute little Barbie slippers from Burlington. Really, really, really cute. These were only $9, 10 bucks. And they have like the little Barbie little signature inside. They're really warm and fuzzy. Y'all know we into fall now. Burlington, I got me some Dove pampering soap because we are big fans of Dove. So this was on sale as well. So this is the Dior Small Lady D-Joy bag. It comes in a box like this. Really cute, really fancy. So we're gonna open it up. And I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. Okay, so when you open it up, y'all, it comes with, this is what the bag itself looks like. This is the small Dior cute handbag, really cute. I love the blue. The blue is plastic blue. And it's the Small Lady D-Joy bag. I'm going to take off the wrapping so I can show you guys exactly what the bag in details. This is my dust bag. Of course, this is going to keep my bag nice and clean, y'all. Okay, nice and protected. This is my receipt. Okay, it's official, Dior. It also comes with this Dior little hand booklet. I have a little Dior card inside, okay. I have a little Dior booklet inside. So this is shea butter and vanilla. I love the plain Dove.
I like the blossom one better.
Yeah, so but we just grabbed this just to have in the house. I also picked up some deodorant, some toothy pasty just to have in the house. Picked this up in Burlington. Okay guys, so I also received a Dior bag. This is in collaboration with Tipstar.ru. So I'm gonna open up the package, y'all, and show you guys what I have. Okay, so this is the Dior Small Lady D-Joy bag. It comes in a box like this. Really cute, really fancy. So we're gonna open it up. And I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. Okay, so when you open it up, y'all, it comes with, this is what the bag itself looks like. This is the small Dior cute handbag, really cute. I love the blue. The blue is plastic blue. And it's the Small Lady D-Joy bag. I'm going to take off the wrapping so I can show you guys exactly what the bag in details. This is my dust bag. Of course, this is going to keep my bag nice and clean, y'all. Okay, nice and protected. This is my receipt. Okay, it's official, Dior. It also comes with this Dior little hand booklet. I have a little Dior card inside, okay. I have a little Dior booklet inside. Oh, that look like cute. You can wear it like this as well.
That looks kind of cute.
You can wear it like that. It's giving cuteness. It's just giving cute. Like, look how cute this is. It has a little Dior tag. You can wear this as a little keychain. It got the little D here with the little cute little buckle there. And we're gonna open it up and see what is the inside look like. So when you open the inside, guys, it looks exactly like this in the inside. I have some belts in here. I also have this little star. I can put another charm on, and it has like a star with Dior. This is my hand buckles. I'm going to just open them. It looks like I have the little chain on here. And let's see. So this is my strap. for my bag. And I'm just gonna tie the strap on so I can get a better look of what I'm rocking with, okay? So I'm gonna take the little strap off. And basically you can just jazz up this little bag. If you wanna change your charms, you can add the charm. I think this is really, really cute, very versatile, very versatile. It's giving cuteness. So I'm gonna just put my buckle on here. If you're a strap girl, you wanna wear your strap, you can. You know, if you wanna wear like the extra straps, you can. This is the mini size and it's just giving cuteness. The inside has a lot of room in here. And all I can smell is leather.
Can I
It
smell?
smells really good.
Can I smell?
1 minute when I'm done.
Want it?
It has a lot of space in the compartment, guys. And I'm just loving this cute Dior mini bag. I love the stuff. Come and let me know what y'all think. I think it's cute. I think I'm gonna give it a 10. So if you would like to get one of these bags, you can go to Dior. You can go to tipstar.ru, get yours today. The link is in my description.
Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way and still